Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. Here we are with our new set of lectures wherein we are going to start prepare for NTA UGC Net Paper 1 2022 batch. Now, these sessions will be concept sessions which will be conducted as a revision, and with a smaller span, you'll be able to revise important topics of all the units. So, we are going to start with teaching aptitude. And into teaching aptitude, we are going to see levels of teaching in today's session. Before that, let's quickly understand what does Global Online has to offer for you. We have came up with new batches from which is started from 5th of September, where we have these batches live at 10 a.m. in the morning. And now at 9 a.m. you will be having concept lectures, which will be important of a revision form for your upcoming examination from all the topic point of view. Apart from that, we have PDF notes on all the topics, last 10-year question papers with answer key, test series consisting of 2,500 MCQs, which you can get with the help of Global Online app, or you can get in touch with us with the given WhatsApp number. The fees is 3,500. Now, there is an important announcement to all the candidates, who are preparing for UGC NET. All the course material lectures which you are providing, that is from 6th, 7th, and 8th. These particular days, you will be having this particular study material available at the given cost. But apart from 8th of September, that is from 12 a.m. itself, the cost of the products will be increasing. So you can take the opportunities and avail the opportunities for this upcoming cycle. At the same time, if you go on the app, in the app you can see you can download the app with the help of Google Play Store. You can see the Global Online logo. You can download the app. This is the interface which you can see. You can register yourself with the mobile number, and you can pay the fees. And once you pay the fees, you will get the access to the content, which is basically unit wise, and all the units consist of theory lectures, MCQ lectures, notes, and mock test, as well as evaluation test. For paper 2 also, we have notes and MCQs available for the given subjects, which you can see on the screen. For this also, the fees is 1,500. This will be increased from 8th of September, 12 a.m. So you have to be very careful, with respect to from 8th of September, even the price for these courses are going to be increased. So you can avail the facility and get the maximum opportunity which is available for all the courses at this particular period of time. Now, yes, as you all know, we will quickly have a look of syllabus towards teaching aptitude. The important points I've highlighted where the questions are definitely coming out. So teaching, where we have concept, objectives, level. This is the topic which we are going to do, and characteristics. Learners' characteristics, where we have characteristics of adolescent and adult. Factors affecting teaching. We have methods of teaching, offline, online methods, including Swayam, Prabha, and moves. At the same time, we have teaching support system with traditional, modern, and ICTs based, and we have evaluation system with the help of what? Types of evaluation, computer-based testing, as well as innovation in evaluation system. So this is, in short, a quick glance at the syllabus. Now, we will have the levels. Basically, there are 3 levels, that is memory, understanding, and reflective. Any type of question can come. So I have just prepared some important notes for you so that it is a revision for you, and this concept will be done very well. So first of all, who brought this level? Developed by Herbert, understanding by Morrison, and reflective by Hunt. Memory level results into rote memorization, which is thought list, which is including oral and written test, including essay type of question for lower classes. It is authoritarian and dominant and teacher-centered. When we talk about understanding, it is mastery of the subjects for develop the understanding. Remember, these words are very useful because these all words have been included in your previous year question papers. So you have to concentrate very well. It is thoughtful, it is comprehensive, and objective type of comprehensive essay and objective type of questions are available. It is for middle level classes where the role is permissive and it is teacher centered. When I talk about reflective level, it's use of knowledge by the help of research skills to solve the real life problems. It is highly thoughtful. We have essay type of questions as well as critical and creative skills, which is utilized for higher classes. We have democratic role in this, and it is learner centered. So this is the basic understanding about memory level, understanding level, and reflective level. But apart from this, we have some additional points which will be helpful if the question comes in statement format. So memory level of teaching, as I said, it is a thoughtless level. It is concerned with mental ability. Teaching at memory level is considered for lowest as a lowest level, where the thinking ability does not play any role. Student only cram the information, formulas, and laws. Teaching is nothing but learning the subject matter by rote way. Role of teacher is prominent and student plays a secondary role. The study material is organized and pre-planned. This can come as one of the statement questions, so be careful. And the teacher presents the study material in a sequential order. Next we have is merits. So it is useful for children at lower classes, in which helps them to develop their because of their intellectual development, can have development with the help of rote memory. Teacher plays an important role and is free to make the choices. The knowledge acquired is the form of the basis for the future, that is to develop the intelligence and thinking level. And it acts as the first step for understanding. It's a prerequisite for understanding. So any form of questions can come as a statement. Demerits, yes, it does not contribute for development. It does not prove helpful in the real life. The pupil are kept in strict discipline of cramming, and intelligence doesn't carry any importance in this type of teaching. Whereas when we go for understanding level, it is basically, it grabs the idea, it's comprehend the meaning in the field of education. Understanding can be classified as seeing the total use of facts, seeing the relationship, a generalized insight. And this was the statements which was used in 2019 cycle also. So you have to be very careful. The teaching at understanding level is of higher quality than that of memory level. It is thoughtful from the viewpoint of mental capability. At this teaching level, teacher explains the relationship between principles and facts and teach them how these principles can be applied. That is, application happens over here. And it is a memory level barrier is essential to be crossed in this particular level of teaching. Coming to merits, it is at this level students make use of their thinking abilities. It is knowledge is acquired in order to form the base of reflective level. The teacher presents the subject matter in a sequential and organized way. The new knowledge is acquired, which is related to the previously acquired knowledge. Here the students does not learn by rote, but they understand the facts and information. Yes, it does has a demerit. It's subject centered. There is no interaction between the students and the teacher at this level. And this type of teaching mastery this type of teaching mastery, that is, it's emphasized. Mastery is emphasized in this type of teaching. Now, when we go for reflective level, it is considered and one of the highest level. It's really high, thoughtful and useful. One can attend this level only after memory and understanding, which helps to solve the real life problem. At this level, the student is made to face a problematic situation. The student, by understanding the critical abilities, can solve the problem. It helps in defining a solution. The student original thinking and creative abilities develop at this particular level. The role of teacher is that is democratic over here. It does not force knowledge on student, but develop the talents and abilities. The student is quite active, and here, yes, it is a problem centered, and student is busy in original imagination. So if you can see, yes, this is one of the really highest thoughtful level with lot of impact on critical abilities in order to solve the problem. Now, when we talk about the merits and demerits, we come to know that this particular teaching is, it's not teacher centered or subject centered. It is in fact a learner centered. Okay, there is an interaction between teacher and student that is very appropriate for high class. The teaching is highly thoughtful as compared to memory and understanding. Demerits comes that it is not suitable at all for lower level. You require more matured child for this, and it is neither organized, neither pre-planned. Therefore, the students cannot acquire systematic, that's the reason they cannot acquire systematic and organized study materials. So when we talk about this levels, so I've been, all the important points I have included from examination point of view. So you need to first understand the differences in the tabular format, which can help into match the following. Then each points I have made you understand with the meaning, merits and demerits. So even if you listen to this hardly, a 10-minute session, your one topic gets completed. So like that, we are going to bring a lot of topics on daily basis, which will help you to understand the important concepts and revise them from the examination point of view. So that's all for the session. We will be having tomorrow a new concept on teaching aptitude. Thank you, everyone.